So let me show you how to disable the keyboard sounds or how to turn off keyboard sounds on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So simply go to settings. So swipe down and tap on settings, and then under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then scroll down to system sounds and tap on that. So under system sounds, if you scroll, you will see the Samsung keyboard. So you can turn off by turning that off, and that's going to disable the Samsung keyboard sounds. So when you're typing, your watch will not make sounds. Now, by default, it makes sound when generally you have sound enabled, either from here or you have this sound enabled. If it's on vibrate or mute, it's not going to make a sound. But if it's on tones like that, or the sound is on like that, that's when it makes sound. But then you can have sounds without having specifically the keyboard sounds by disabling that. Thanks for watching and good luck.